Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following question on functions, that is your parabola and your straight line. We have to refer to the diagram below where the graph of f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3 and gx equals minus 2x plus 2 are sketched. A, write down the length of CB. B, calculate the length of EF. C, find the coordinates of A, the turning point of f of x, and the last but not the least question, hence find the length of AD. For the first part of the question, we have to write down the length of CB. If you look at the point CB, they are both on the y-intercept, and the value of x at those points is 0. So to find the distance CB, we need to find the y-coordinates of B and the y-coordinates of C. Starting with the y-coordinates of B, we have the line or the straight line passing through B. So we're going to use the equation of a straight line. We have g of x equals minus 2x plus 2. And because at B, the value of x is 0, we're going to replace x with 0. So we have at B, x equals to 0. So therefore, g of x or your y equals minus 2, 0 plus 2. Therefore, the y coordinates will be 0 plus 2, which equals to 2. I'm going to put that in the diagram. So the coordinate of B is x is 0, y is 2. We're going to do the same thing for point C. If you look at point C, the parabola is passing through point C, so we're going to use the equation of a parabola. F of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. And at that point also, at C, the value of x equals to 0. So we have y equals 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 3. Y equals 0 plus 0 minus 3. Therefore, the y coordinates will be negative 3. So putting that in the diagram, we have 0 minus 3. So therefore, to find the distance CB, we have CB equals the distance from C to the point, the origin, that's 3 units, and the second distance is 2. So between negative 3 and 2, we have 2, the maximum, minus the minimum. That's 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 units. Let's look at the second part of the question that says calculate the length of EF. Note that the points E and F are points on the x-axis. So therefore, you can see that the parabola is passing through this point. So that's your x-intercept, and at that point, the value of y is 0. So using the equation of the parabola, we have f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. At points E and F, that's our x-intercept, and the value of y at that point is 0. So therefore, we're going to equate a parabolic equation to 0. So we have 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. If we factorize, we have 0 equals, open a 2 bracket, we have x. Then we have plus 3 minus 1. Therefore, we have x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to negative 3, or x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to positive 1. So what it means is, if I go back to the diagram, because the point F is on the negative x side, that will be minus 3, 0, and the point E is a positive side of x-axis. So we have 1, 0. Therefore, to find the distance EF, we have that is 1 minus, that's 0.1 minus, that's the second point is -3, that's 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 units. The next question says, find the coordinate of A, the turning point of f of x. The turning point of A, as shown, to find that, we have the equation of the parabola, that's f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. What we have here is A, B, and C. That's A is the coefficient of x squared, B is the coefficient of x, and C is a constant. So therefore, using the formula for the turning point, I call that TP, we have x equals minus b over 2a. And what that will give us is minus b, that's minus 2, over 2 times a, that's 2 times 1. That's minus 2 over 2, that's -1. And to find the y coordinate, we're going to slot in the value of x into our equation. So we have y equals, x is -1, so we have -1 all squared plus 2, -1 minus 3. If we simplify, we have that as -1 times all squared, that's 1, minus 2 minus 3, and that will give us -4. So therefore, the turning point, or the coordinates of A, that's the coordinate of A, equals, we have that as x is -1 and y is -4. So we have -1 minus 4. The last but not the least, we have to find the length of AD. Note that the point D is on the same line as your point A, so therefore at D, the value of your x will also be -1 because they are collinear. So therefore, the point D is lying on the straight line, and we have a g of x equals minus 2x plus 2 as given in the equation. So therefore, replacing our x with -1, we have y equals minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. That's 2 plus 2. Therefore, a y coordinate will be 4. So therefore, if a y is 4, that point D will be -1 and 4. So therefore, to find the distance AD, we have therefore AD equals the maximum minus the minimum, that's -4. That's 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8 units. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Bye.